Welcome. In front of me I have some gimbal from HOHEM, however hell you actually pronounce this company. So this is the iSteady Pro, and I'm gonna go over unboxing and just a little bit of a view of how it looks like. So anyway, just pop straight in. So it does include this carrying pouch right here, if you can see. Not the most sturdy pouch out there. As you can see, it's kind of flimsy, but still better than nothing. And in here we get some cable for obviously charging it, though this is a micro USB, so that's a little bit of a bummer. Then we get the gimbal itself and a tripod. Okay. Now I do have a little GoPro right here, though I don't think I will be able to use this case for it, so I'll need to take it off. I'll first check it out. So let's actually get rid of this. It's not like there's anything useful in there. Yep, this won't fit with it, so. No, I don't have a little battery cover for it for now, so I guess I'll deal without it. So anyway, let's just place it in here. And there we go. Okay, so there we go. It's now laying on here, it's mounted. And let's see, I presume I need to plug it in some way for it to actually function correctly. Oh, there we go, it actually works. It also did turn on the GoPro. Now I'm pretty sure someone connected it in this case together before, that's why. Because if you look at it, it's right now enabled. And as you can see, it is stabilizing fairly well. So yeah, I mean, it works just fine, as you can see. I do have to say that the joystick right here kind of works weirdly. That might be just because of me using this for the first time and having a little bit of a learning curve to it. But right now it's panning no problem, but before it, as you've seen, I tried to pan out and it just kind of was going at, number one, a weird angle, not left to right, and number two, it didn't really want to go. Right now it seems to be working just fine. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, it was just repositioning the camera, it looks like. Okay, anyway, that's basically it. Not much more to it, it's just a gimbal. It seems to be working just fine. So yeah. So, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.